Yeah. That Chanel shit, I like that. Got your own ride, I like that. Got your mind right, I like that. In a fantasy world, I wife that. At the blue flame with 2 chains on, 8 rings on.
Hey dolls, welcome back to the dollhouse. My name is Caitlin. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that red button down below to subscribe and hit that little bell beside it too so you'll be notified whenever I upload. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, today we'll be doing the rubber band method on my box braids, and I will show you guys also how to add the string and the jewels. So if you are interested, stay tuned to the video. So as you can see, I still have some long braids here. I'm using the standard rubber bands, and you basically just want to find the braid, measure it to your liking. I'm going by my collar, and wrap the rubber band around, and I will cut right below the rubber band. And this is the one I just did. Any braid of your choice, and you put it around like so and squeeze really tight. Alrighty dolls, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up, share it with your family members if you think it will be helpful, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.